Hey there, fellow adventurer, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what? After 1 year and 3 months, I am finally flying back to India from Canada. But wait, it's not just India this time. There's a twist. Right after reaching home, we are heading to Thailand with family. So now, I had to pack winter clothes for India and summer outfits for Thailand. Double the packing struggle. Oh, and drama didn't stop there. At 4 am, we got a lovely little surprise. An email from Air India saying our Delhi to Indore flight was cancelled due to operational reasons. Panic mode on. But thankfully, we had kept an extra day before our Thailand flight. We quickly called Air India support, rescheduled our flight, got ready in record time, and reached the airport by 6:30 am. Thankfully, the in flight screens were working, so we watched two classic movies back to back. In between, we took power naps and enjoyed lunch. We had selected the Jain vegan option and it was actually good. Later, we kept checking the flight map to track our journey. It was oddly satisfying to see how much distance we had covered and how much was left. For snacks, they served a wrap and a protein bar. After that, I enjoyed the beautiful window view, just watching the clouds pass by. Finally, we landed at Delhi airport. The feeling of being back home after so long, it just felt so good. And let me share a little backstory while we walk through the airport. This India trip was actually booked just 5 days before. Why? Because Anshul's passport was pending renewal and we were anxiously waiting for it to arrive. The moment it came, we quickly booked our tickets. Since December and January are usually slow at work with holidays and less workload, it was the perfect time to travel to India. And of course, the first thing I wanted, Domino's Cheeseburst Pizza. I had been craving it for ages. After grabbing our luggage, we booked a prepaid cab and headed to our hotel. The next morning, we finally reached home. And guess what? Papaji and Mammiji knew exactly what we wanted: Samosa, Kachori, Jalebi, and the famous Indori Poha. So we went to Ajibai and had the most delicious breakfast ever. And now it's time to repack, unpack, and pack again for Thailand. What a roller coaster! Stay tuned for my upcoming India plus Thailand videos full of fun, food, and travel. Check out my Canada videos too. I have added playlist for you all. Like, share and subscribe for more fun content. See you in the next video. Bye.